Hey guys, it's JayJay Sweets and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Junko Enoshima inspired makeup tutorial for you from the anime Danganronpa. I think that's how you say it. Fuck it, I said it how I said it, okay? Now I could have put on my blonde wig for this, but I thought leaving my hair the way it naturally is would give it a nice little spin on it. I hope you enjoy it and on with the video. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and because it is an anime makeup tutorial, we're going to make our eyebrows extra thin and super straight. Then using the LA Girl Pro Fawn Concealer, I'm going to pack that onto my eyebrows so like hardly any hairs is showing. I'm going to continue to outline the eyebrows that I've just drawn so that it looks nice and sharp and neat. And then using the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the colour Suede to blend with the LA Girl Pro to the colour of my skin. And next using my foundation to put all over my face, but I'm going to start with packing it on the top of my lip and over my lips as well, just to give the illusion of small, cute, dainty anime lips. After the contouring, I'm going to use an eyeshadow palette that has like the same tones as my skin tone, because they don't really need much eyeshadow for anime eyes, but you do need a nice base so the eyeliner can look correct. And then we're going to use the jumbo pencil in the colour Milk to outline the bottom bit of my eyes to give a big eye effect as well. Now what I actually did with these bottom lashes is I cut the last three longest ones to glue to the bottom of my eyes, because I find using all of them is too much. Any anime look to work properly, you need to put the blush underneath the eyes. Now for my melanated brothers and sisters out there, you need to apply this blush like your life depends on it. Make sure you keep applying until you can see the blush from far away. I ain't even playing with you. Anime lips are super easy. Just get some pink eyeshadow and put on the inside of your lips and rub. That will give you that nice ombre effect as well. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Give me a thumbs up if you liked what you see. Hit that notification bell so you can be part of my notification squad, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.